Today I'll show you how I use 3 items that I purchased at Dollar Tree to make an item similar to one I found while browsing on Wayfair. First, I mixed antique white acrylic paint with baking soda and I let it sit to thicken. I realized I was running out of paint, so I added a little water to my paint bottle. I shook it up and I added it to my baking soda mixture and I set it aside. Keep in mind that you can only add water to water-based paints, not oil-based paints. Next, I removed the label from a garden dish that I purchased at Dollar Tree, and I used Gorilla Clear Grip and Gorilla Hot Glue to attach my arches to the bottom of my dish. I used hot glue to give me a temporary hold until my clear grip dried. Normally, I wouldn't move my piece until my clear grip completely dries, but in this case, I went ahead and I started to paint my piece with my paint mixture. Once I was done painting the bottom of my dish, I let it completely dry, and this is what it looked like. I turned my piece over and I painted the top and the outer edges of my dish. I allowed my paint to completely dry, and this is my final product. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget